Hello, it's me again. I'm in my kitchen. I am going to show you today another type of adobo recipe. This recipe actually is my parents used to make this when we go to the beach, like, having a picnic, get together, family get together. This is the easy, like, easy for them to make it. You can also make this with chicken because they are like easy to transport. You don't have to worry about the sauce, and when you have kids, it's easy for the kids to just pick it and then run around, do whatever they want to do, like playing, while holding holding this type of food. It's like what they call finger foods. If you have friends over, having get together, this is the appetizer. You can use this as appetizer. And then there's also a dipping sauce that goes with this, and I'm gonna show you how to make that also. Okay, all right, so first we'll start by turning on our fire. We'll put a little bit of oil, cooking oil. Just a little bit. This, I actually use a tenderloin. Also, back when I was growing up, you can also use this as a like a different part of the pork, a pork belly. But if you are not fun with the pork skin and fat in it, this will be the other option. All right. Then we just have to put everything in. I season this with soy sauce, sesame oil, paprika, a little bit of lemon juice, lots of garlic, salt and black pepper, and a little bit of sugar. I am tempting to use MSG in this, but I didn't, so I substituted with sugar. Okay, so you just have to do this. Rani guys. Mga Filipino ani makarelate. See, just do it like that. And then you cover this. And the pork is gonna produce sauce in this. It's actually coming out already. You'll see some juice here, and we want that because that helps tenderize the meat. So what we do is we cover this and we let it simmer. We cook it until the pork gets tender. And while we are waiting, I'm gonna go ahead and do the dipping sauce. Okay, so this is gonna be the ingredients for our dipping sauce. Tomato, onion, and ginger. I already peeled this ginger, guys. So what we do is we'll slice them thinly. Just like that. If you do not like ginger, you do not have to include this. Okay, let us adjust our heat, okay? The medium high. This is basically the same ingredients like if you wanna make a what we call kinilaw, guys. Kinilaw, like you're eating is, I think it's like it's almost like a Japanese sashimi. We are not having a sashimi. Alright, so here's your ginger. And then we use some onion. Chop it. And we like that, you just mixed it. Okay, and then the Roma tomato. Again, dice it. If you don't like this, the tomato seeds, you can take it out. I'm crying. The onion making me cry. Boo-hoo. Okay, so we're done with this. Okay, let's check our pork adobo. Whoa, look at this. It's like this, guys. It's cooking slowly. We want this again to get dry. I'm gonna set the fire back and high sitting. And this still a little need more simmering because we basically want this to brown, almost like you are frying it, like I guess you know when you're making a rotisserie chicken, brown on the outside and tender and juicy in the inside. It's like that. Okay, so we'll cover it back, and then while we're doing that, we will put the rest. We will finish our dipping sauce. Okay, so this one, guys, is a mixture of salt, ground black pepper, and then I have sugar in here. This is my magic sauce. Right. Just sprinkle it like that, and then lemon juice. You can use vinegar for this, any kind of vinegar. We'll probably, let's see, is that 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. You want this to swim in the sauce and the lemon juice and soy sauce. Okay. And if you want this spicy, you can actually add a Thai chili or chili powder to make it spicy. But if you do not like it spicy, then just leave it like that. Let me just taste it, okay? With ginger in it. That's good. That's good. Okay, we gotta check our pork adobo. See how it's doing. It's coming along, guys. Look at this. Smells good. And look, the steam. You can use it to rejuvenate your face. Don't get burned out. Alright. Still have a lot of sauce. And again, this adobo is supposed to be no sauce. So we have to cover it back. Let it simmer some more. Alright? And while we are doing that, on our dipping sauce, I decided to add a kick to it. I'm gonna add a Thai chili. Okay, guys? Kay og sa Filipino ni, you know, Filipino, especially guys, will say, "Hey, how come it's not spicy? Where's the chili in it?" That's not the originality. Okay, we'll make it original, okay? I show you. I have my Thai chili here. This is very spicy. Look, it's smoking. I actually put this in the freezer to keep it longer. And it's defrosting. I wash it, and then now look, you can see the smoke. Look at that. Can you see it? See, guys? It's smoking. Okay. I'm gonna use scissors just to cut this. Just add it like that. And as I said, if you do not like it spicy, you do not have to do this. I add this because my son actually likes spicy. In fact, he actually eats this. I can't believe he can eat this. I can't. Very spicy. Okay, so you just cut them like that. I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of this Thai chili. Okay, there you go. Here you go, you go. Go. Mura na ni og kinilaw, guys. Huh? If we have a I remember, you know, growing up, my parents will when we're at the beach, there's a fisherman, you know, they caught fresh shrimp, those little shrimp, like baby shrimp, and then all kinds of fish. And what they do is they'll buy some of those fresh shrimp. They're still, you know, jumping because it's freshly caught from the sea, and then they put it in here. Yeah, and we call it kinilaw. Kinilaw. And then sa Tagalog, I don't know, kilawin. But sa Bisaya, sa Binisaya, kinilaw. So yeah, and then you can just eat it like that, raw shrimp with this dipping sauce. Yes. Let's check our adobo. Oh my goodness, it's done. Look at this. So this is what you want. Like this, if you can see it, it's like that. See? All done. Pork adobo as an appetizer, or you can use it as an entree, and with the dipping sauce, and you can also eat it with rice. Simple, very easy, and it's appetizing. It's really good. You try it, guys. If you like this recipe, share and like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Happy cooking, guys. Take care.